Hello, I'm Song, your Korean teacher. Today we'll learn how to make basic sentences in Korean. In Korean, a sentence usually has a subject plus a verb. For example, I study. 나는 공부해요. I work. 나는 일해요. I exercise. 나는 운동해요. I cook. 나는 요리해요. Here, 나는 means I. 공부해요 means study. 일해요 means work. 운동해요 means exercise. 요리해요 means cook. Now repeat after me. We will say each sentence 2 times. 나는 공부해요. 나는 공부해요. 나는 일해요. 나는 일해요. 나는 운동해요. 나는 운동해요. 나는 요리해요. 나는 요리해요. You can make your sentences more detailed by adding words like often, sometimes, every day, on weekends, on weekdays, alone, together. We can put these details between the subject and the verb. 나는 자주 공부해요. 자주 means often. 나는 매일 일해요. 매일 means every day. 나는 주말에 운동해요. 주말에 means on weekends. 나는 혼자 요리해요. 혼자 means alone. This makes your sentence more specific and natural. Sometimes these details can go at the beginning or the end of a sentence. There may be a slight difference in nuance, but we'll learn about that gradually later. Now, let's repeat together 2 times and get used to it naturally. 나는 자주 공부해요. 나는 자주 공부해요. 나는 매일 일해요. 나는 매일 일해요. 나는 주말에 운동해요. 나는 주말에 운동해요. 나는 혼자 요리해요. 나는 혼자 요리해요. Now it's your turn. Mix the subject, verb, and details and practice a lot and a lot. Like, 나는 가끔 공부해요. 나는 매일 공부해요. 나는 평일에 운동해요. 나는 혼자 운동해요. 나는 같이 요리해요. 나는 매일 일해요. Today we learned the basic structure of Korean sentences and how to add extra details. If you keep practicing, you'll speak more naturally. See you next time!